back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna
Actually,
today.
we will actually retire from all of this because it's...
We're gonna retire from this in September, by the way.
You said this is the last season.
It might. But can we stop in September? We're stopping in September, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
I don't want to get on.
Pause.
Pause.
Oh, it's one of those buses that have, those like removed walls.
Yeah.
If you want, you can look at the public schools. Coming from Nasonville, Rhode Island.
Is that...
And Nehemiah, do not dox me like you always do.
If it were doxing, I would say a certain city he's living in.
But Nehemiah, you're not allowed to know anymore. Pause.
I paused.
Oh, this is a small bus. Something's missing on there from the handicap bus. Where's the handicap door?
I don't know. It probably got stripped off or something.
Someone probably ripped it off on accident. Pause. Pause.
I paused.
God damn.
You might be allergic to flatheads.
Maybe. This bus actually at one time caught on fire, actually.
Probably like something like that one accident that I'm not going to mention.
That's me too.
No, something worse.
You ended the video?
No, it's just something struggling under. The funny bus! Okay.
How the hell is this street legal?
The only thing that's normal is the little chrome wheel. It already has a backup beeper, you can't do that.
And, Tommy.
What?
Let's hope nothing goes wrong. Oh, the bus broke down. Bus broke down. That's lovely. Let's hope that the accident doesn't happen again. Oh, do you hope this accident doesn't happen again?
Yeah.
I hope not either. It's gonna be a Union Pacific coming. It's gonna be a loud one, Union Pacific.
No, get one of those ones that you normally get, like the Gevo, like 6069.
Alright, Tommy, look at the, Guys,
Turn on your headlights. There you go.
Oh, no, not this again. Oh, not this again. Oh, shoot. Tommy, pause the video.
Hold on.
Was the video already paused?
I'm just looking at the aftermath.
Another disaster has struck.
Of
A
course.
school bus. This was a funny school bus, and it got hit by a 6069, and the whole entire bus is completely. And this bus was only a school bus until 2025. Well, 2024 when the Funny Group purchased the bus. If you guys are wondering if the Funny Group is still in business, no, the Funny Group company went out of business 2026 due to unsafe vehicles that they purchased. Unfortunately, this is going to be the last time an accident like this probably happens, because this already happened in BrickMania fleets already. If I'm what you're sending.
Hold on. I'm trying to go over on the overcrossing.
According to News 13, this happens frequently. Me and Tommy have a strategy for all you teens, adults, kids. Do not play on the railroad tracks. Whatever you guys do, because you guys will hurt yourselves. And this is serious, guys. This happens a lot in BrickMania. This has been happening in BrickMania since the 50s.
Well, since trains were like a major thing in the time.
We'll pause the video, Tommy.
Hold on. I'm just inspecting the aftermath again.
Right.
But if you, like, it's a hard thing in people's life. If you ever play on the railroad tracks, do not play on the railroad tracks. Like I said in the video again, do not play on the railroad tracks. It is not a way of playing, and you are not a train. Anyway, right, unpaused.
Yeah, guys, we're back to the bus spotting.
You yellow wheels? I'm used to like black wheels or something.
Pause.
Right.
Tommy was just crying a little bit.
No, I was not crying like a little bitch. I'm kidding.
Alright.
I already unpaused, so just know that.
You're the Bluebird version.
I've seen one in real life.
Pause.
Not yet. Alright. Unpause. Damn! Oh, this one doesn't have a back window. Well, only two.
Tommy, you want to know what I saw
Did
Evan
you?
searching up on YouTube?
What was he searching?
Furry Convention NSFW.
Alright, pause.
Ew! I just like get those. Alright, unpause. Oh, this is the Durham School Services Arkansas bus.
You regretted it. Sir, you want to ride?
No, I'm just spotting. What the fuck is happening? Truck.
Well, 212's having issues. Alright, pause.
Then
Unpause.
he paused on the video, or he paused on one of the frames. He said, "I'ma lick that ass."
He's probably doing bad stuff as always. I sure love school district Bricksville City.
Pause.
And pause. Oh look, it's Nehemiah's favorite thing. Oh my god. It looks like a gillig.
Yeah, it does. Alright, pause.
Unpause.
Let me look at the Hornet.
I'm just kidding, because I like Hornets. This one's a Thomas Hornet. Oh, this one's the little, kind of little small text. City of Woodland. public